Imagine yourself in this 2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.